Ever found yourself startled awake by mysterious scratching sounds or stumbled upon unexplained droppings at home? You might have some unwanted guests, rats or mice. But fear not, before calling in the professional, here are simple natural solutions you probably have in your bathroom right now. Toothpaste. These creatures may be undesirable, but toothpaste can be surprisingly effective way to deter them. Mice and rats have a strong sense of smell, and the minty scent of toothpaste overwhelms their senses, driving them away. Some toothpaste also contain compounds toxic to rodents if ingested. Here, how you can use toothpaste to kick out these unwanted creatures. Number 1. Identify entry point. Look for small holes, genuine marks, grease streaks and droppings. Number 2. Apply toothpaste barrier. Squeeze toothpaste into holes and crevices, creating a barrier. Number 3. Create scent trails. Lead rodents away by making toothpaste trails toward potential nesting sites. Number 4. Use cotton balls. Dab toothpaste on cotton balls and place them strategically around your home. Number 5. Mix with flour or baking soda. Enhance the scent barrier by mixing toothpaste with flour or baking soda and sprinkling it in active areas. Check and reapply daily, as it may take few weeks for the rodents to vacate. Remember, the goal is to make your home less appealing to them. This natural solution is affordable, safe, and does not involve messy traps or toxic chemicals. Give it a try and let us know your experience using toothpaste as a rodent repellent. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more home remedy videos and DIY pest control tips. Stay tuned for our next remedy adventure. Thanks for watching.